Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to disable or enable user account control on Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You will notice that whenever you try to install any software in your Windows 11, you will get a confirmation message. Do you like to install this software? You can either choose yes, or if you decide to change your mind, you can click no. So if you want to disable that pop-up, you can do that. Or either if you are doing some changes in your Windows 11 setting, and also you'll get the same confirmation message. Do you like to change? You need to click yes, or if you're not, you can click no. So anyway, if you decide to change those settings, you can go in your Windows 11 start menu. Right over there is a search bar. Just go over there and then click here CUNTROL, and you will find here control panel. After click over control panel, in the right side you will find user account. After click over user account, you need to click here again user accounts, and then you will find here something say change user account control settings. After click over there, we'll see a new screen appear, and this is the by default, which is notify me when apps try to make changes to my computer. This is the default one right now I have, which is very safe, which will protect your Windows 11 from ransomware attack or virus attack or any third-party software if they want to install and it might be not secure. So that's better. You can choose this one, which is the default one recommended by Windows. So you can choose that, which will protect your PC. But if you decide to disable, or you are expert on computer and you want to disable that pop-up every time appear in your Windows 11 whenever you try to install a software or whenever you try to change any setting in your Windows. So if you want to disable that, you can just simply bring this line all the way down, and then you will see it saying to apps try to install software or make changes to my computer. I make changes to Windows setting, which is never notify me when these things. Also, Windows Microsoft is not recommended you to set this one. So it's up to you if you decide to change your user control setting. So within this simple way, you can easily change your user setting, choose any level you want, and you can make it here okay. And when you click OK, you will get a pop-up which you might be not see in my screen recorder. Anyway, you need to choose this and then click here yes. So within this simple way, you can easily enable or disable user control in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.